Heidenheim made their UEFA Conference League debut by hosting Slovenian league leaders Olimpija here in Germany. Vrhunci makes 7 changes from their weekend win at Mainz. As for the visitors, Vrhunci starts. He scored in each of his last 4 appearances. Heidenheim looking for an early opening here. Beck. Oh, he gets it back here, Beck. Great feet and a tiny finish. Adrian Beck. Wonderful in front of goal. Cienza, it's off the post. It took a deflection, which spun it away from the goalkeeper. Olimpija looking for an equaliser, and they have it. It's put in by Blanco, who was all alone. Sleben with the cross. Olimpija trying to get it away, but the referee's pointing to the spot. Handball, says the official. Ener Georgi of Albania. From the spot, Wana, it's saved! Emphatically in on the rebound. There was no stopping that at all. Time almost up here. Heidenheim looking for a goal to seal it, but there goes the full-time whistle. Heidenheim with an opening night win. They've edged past Olimpija of Ljubljana here by 2 goals to 1.